Hey everyone, welcome to G-Reviews. Today I'm going to be putting in a peephole in my front door. It takes about 5 minutes, a couple drill bits, and really not much else. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Scott with G-Reviews today to install a peephole in the front door. It's a super easy process. It probably takes about 10 minutes. All you really need is a power drill and a drill bit. In this case, I got this guy from Lowe's, and all you need is a 9/16 drill bit size, and pretty much you just insert the peephole from one side, and then you screw it in from the inside using a flathead screwdriver. So it's really easy. Like I said, anybody can do it, and it gives you a little bit of peace of mind when you're answering the door. So let's do it. So like I said, looking at the guy outside the box, this one is the slightly upgraded one because it's got this little privacy, I guess, shade on it, but really they're really simple, these peepholes. So really all it is, it'll fit pretty much any diameter, or I'm sorry, any thickness door. You're just gonna unscrew this thing all the way. I mean, you can have a really thick door, but you just unscrew this guy all the way. Like I said, you're gonna drill the hole in the door, and then you're gonna insert this from the outside, and then you're gonna insert this from the inside, and you're pretty much just gonna screw this in. And then you see these little marks here. With a flathead screwdriver, you're just gonna kind of just screw it in from the inside, tighten it up, and you're pretty much good to go. It's really easy as that. All right, so we started out drilling a pilot hole. We started out with a 732, and we're gonna go up to probably maybe just under a 1/2 inch. This is a 3/8. We're gonna go maybe to the 3/8, drill that out first, and then we're gonna go to the 9/16. You just want to gradually do this. You don't want to go straight up to the big one. It's just going to be way more challenging to do. Nice clean hole. And the 9/16 barely fits in my drill here, but it does, surprisingly. All right, there's the 9/16. So it definitely fits now. However, because this is just metal, there's no rubber seal or anything on there. It fits, just barely fits in the hole, so it's fine. However, just to make it that much better and have a nice seal to it, I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit of caulking in the hole, just so that there's no issue with you know, a draft or any kind of air coming through there. So I'm gonna go grab a little bit of silicone, just gonna put it around the edge of this guy, and then we'll screw it in. Pretty easy. So again, I'm just gonna put a tiny little bit of silicone around, waterproof, anything that's waterproof, around both the inside and the outside, so we don't have any issues with draft, and I'll just wipe away the excess when we are done. All right, so now we're just gonna put the outside one. As you can see, I put a little bit of white silicone around the outside peephole, so I'm just gonna put that in from the other side, and then we'll go ahead and put the inside one in this side. Okay. So there's a little bit of excess there on the outside. I'll just have to wipe that up when we're done. All right, and now we're gonna screw this from the inside. We're gonna have to kind of hold the other one too while we're screwing this in. All right, so. All right, now just take the flathead and screw it in just a little bit more. Make sure it's a nice seal. A little bit more to go. I think that's good, just like that, perfect. And now we just wipe off the excess. All right guys, so I just wanted to show you the finished product. So there's the peephole from the outside of the house, and here it is from the inside, and there is what you see. There you go, there's your 200 degrees. Right there, you can see everything from side to side of the patio. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.